crafty friend, Melanie here. Welcome back to my channel, Mel Stampin' Gallery. Today I want to talk to you about an essential tool for any beginning scrapbooker, and that is scrapbooking kits. Now if you are just starting out on your scrapbooking journey, or even if you've been scrapbooking for a while, these kits are a game changer. So let's turn the camera around and dive into this kit from Stampin' Up! Called Meant to Be. So exactly what is a scrapbook kit? Well, it is a pre-packaged set of all the supplies that you need to start creating your own beautiful scrapbook pages. These kits typically include patterned paper, sticker sheets, embellishments, sometimes some die cuts, and even some journaling cards or stamps. But I think the biggest benefit, especially if you are a beginning scrapbooker, is that our scrapbook kits and workshops come with this workshop guide. And this is your instruction booklet, your recipe booklet. They have the layouts pre-designed for you. They tell you the materials that you need that are additional, and that's just things like trimmers, your adhesive, yeah, scissors. But basically everything you need is included in the kit. It even tells you how many photos to gather and what size to print them out. These workshop guides have explicit cutting diagrams showing you the samples of paper and exactly how to lay the paper, your designer series paper, and exactly what cuts to make with each of those patterned papers. And if it uses solid color cardstock, it will even tell you how to configure the cardstock and how to cut each piece of cardstock. So what I recommend you do is, even before you start working, is to go through and cut the different pattern pieces and solid color cardstock and put them in piles for your layouts before you even begin. And then once you have your pieces cut and you are ready to begin, you can go through layout by layout, and it tells you exactly how to lay out the pieces. It gives you the full color illustration of exactly what the layout will look like, and then down below it's kind of a grayed out version of the picture with the assembly guide right here on the side, exactly how far down to place each cut piece, and how far apart, and exactly which pieces you need and which pieces to put where. It even shows you recommendations for where you might want to put the stickers, if there are some stickers that come there, or some embellishments. Like I say, basically a scrapbook kit takes all of the guesswork out of the process for you, making it super easy to get started on your scrapbooking and document those memories right away. So what are some of the benefits to a scrapbooking kit? Well, the main benefit, I think, is the time saving and convenience of it. As a beginner, it can feel extremely overwhelming to pick the right materials. There is so much to choose from out there. Believe me, I can get overwhelmed with all the choices as well. So with a scrapbooking kit, everything you need is right here in one envelope. I have already cut into my kit, but you can see an example of some of the designer series papers right here. But let me pull up on my iPad to show you what all is included in the kit. You can see right here, you've got the beautiful, darling little papers, designer series papers. You've got some pattern prints. It also includes any of the solid color cardstocks that you will need. This particular kit has some die cut shapes and embellishments that they use. It also has a sticker sheet with the stickers that you will use for your kit. So like I said, with a scrapbooking kit, there is no more stressing over what color papers match, or what goes with what, or what patterns, or stamps or embellishments I should use. Everything is already done for you. And this is an example of one of the layouts in the Meant to Be Scrapbooking Workshop kit. The kit also includes these photo placeholders. So if you don't have your photos yet, you can put the photo placeholders in there until you're ready to print out your photos and select just the right photos for your pages. So whether you are a complete beginner or even if you have a little bit of scrapbooking experience, these kits are perfect for any skill level. They give you the foundation and the tools that you need, but they still allow for you to put your own personal touch on the pages. You can follow the instructions exactly if you would like, or you can mix things up a little bit and get creative. Here is one of the layouts, and I've already added my photos to this, and I love it just the way it is. But speaking of getting creative, I decided to take this up a notch because I like a little bit more embellishments on the page. So let me show you an alternative for this scrapbook page. Here it is. Here is the way I have stepped it up a little bit. As you can see, I added a little bit more embellishment down here to this right hand side where the title was, and up here in this corner I added a few hexagon shapes that I've punched out and some gems. I just love adding gems to my pages. And then on this side, I didn't like the solid pink. Thought it was too much pink, believe it or not. So I did find a stencil in my stash and used the Petunia Pop, which is a coordinating color for this kit, and stenciled a floral border around that, and I think that kind of helped tone it down. I also brought in some black embellishments to help tone that down a little bit. I like adding black to these bright colors. Now let me show you about this little bee right here, because I didn't have any more stickers. And this one down here in the corner, those are actually stamped with the coordinating Meant to Be stamp set. And then there is a coordinating die that goes with that. And that is also how I did the pieces, the hexagon pieces here. These hexagon shapes cut out a frame, but then it also gives you that solid piece there as well. So that is how I created these little extra bees on here and the extra hexagon shapes and frames that you see around the page. And then I simply added, like I said, some things that I had from my stash. And this little hive I found on my Cricut, and I just typed in the word hive and quite a few things came up. And I added some flowers there, and that also is part of the Stamp and Cut and Emboss dies. It had these tiny little flowers. So I just die cut those from some coordinating designer series paper. So there you have it. Whether you are a scrapbooker newbie or just looking for an easier way to be creative, a scrapbook kit is just the perfect place to start. It takes the stress out of the process and it lets you focus on the fun parts of scrapbooking, which of course is preserving the memories and telling your story. So thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more crafting tips and ideas. And if you have used a scrapbook kit before, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to hear all about your experience. Thanks for joining me. Bye.